This video was originally designed only for our customers, and eventually we decided to open it to everybody. The idea was to help our customers maximize their marketing budget, to show them the different ways that they can work with marketing companies, show them 10 different pricing models that they can work with marketing companies, and also what to be aware of, because we saw lots of cases that marketing companies were charging customers and give them almost nothing in return. There was a big story about it, lots of reports, lots of everything, but bottom line, no great results, I would say. The way that I like to see things is very simple. I always say, I'm stupid, I'm not smart. I want to see how much money I'm spending on marketing, and in return, how much money I earn from marketing. That's it. One line, there is one number, and it's return on investment. And all the rest, time on page, branding, colors, blah, 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 nonsense. I don't care about any of that. The rest is noise. This video is video 1 out of 3, where we'll walk through the different ways you can work with marketing companies and what's realistically possible versus what's not. The goal is simple: help you maximize your marketing budget, help you avoid spending money without getting results, and show you how to use your CRM as a source of truth behind every marketing decision. So it's becoming a numbers game versus an emotions game. Let's jump into video number 1. Before we talk about specific pricing models, I want to reframe how you think about buying marketing in the first place. Most companies think that they're buying services. Someone will run my ads. Someone will manage my socials. Someone will generate leads. But in reality, you're not buying services. You're buying results. For me, the definition is very simple. Money goes out to marketing, money comes back into the bank account. That's the real game. Now, I had one client who debated and pushed back, and he said, Lior, that's not true. Look at Coca-Cola. They spend tons of money on branding. Their name is everywhere. If they're doing that, who are you to tell me marketing always has to be measured by money in the bank account? And I told him, you're absolutely right. There is only one problem with what you're saying. You are not Coca-Cola. Big enterprise companies that everyone already knows, their name has a meaning. When you go to the fridge and you see a bunch of brands, and then you see Coca-Cola, it makes sense that you will pick up the one you recognize. The brand is real value because it's already been built over decades and billions of dollars. When you are a small or mid-sized business, it's different. People don't care about your logo or how many times they've seen your name. What they care about is what is your value? What is your proposition? What is your unbeatable offer? That's what wins business. That's what people actually act on. So yes, Coca-Cola spend on pure branding, but for most of us, as small and mid-sized business owners, the rule is much simpler. Money goes out to marketing, money comes back into the bank account. That's the only factor that really matters at the end of the month. Now, let me be transparent about how we operate as a company at Amazing Business Results. We try to do as much of our marketing in-house as possible. And if you ask why, it's because it gives us control. and the money we spend on learning how to do things ourselves often costs less than what we would be spending with vendors to run experiments on us, not benefit us. And here's the fun part. The outcomes were always beneficial. Just in small percentage of cases, they benefited us. Most of the time, they were very beneficial for the marketing company. In many cases, we had to spend money on systems, on setup, on infrastructure. That money goes away on day one. Then we spent a few months testing their marketing, and only after that do we declare this wasn't really successful. The money is gone, the lesson is ours. The profit is not. And we see the same thing with a lot of our customers. They come to us, they tell us our campaigns are working, we're busy, we're getting leads. Then we install proper systems. We connect everything into the CRM. We start tracking what's really happening. And once the data is clean, we suddenly see those campaigns are not actually functioning the way they thought. The volume feels good, the results not so much. There is also a technology side to all of this that most people ignore. Let me give you a concrete example. Some of our customers use conventional marketing tools, for example, Facebook ads, that drive leads into Messenger or straight into a form. Typically, it works like this. A lead comes in from Facebook. It gets pushed automatically to the CRM. The company treats it like a regular lead and gets to it when someone has time. But social leads are not regular leads because people are scrolling, they're distracted, they tap on the ad, they fill up a form, and 10 minutes later, they don't even remember they reached out to you. If you wait hours or even just a few minutes too long, by that time you call and they're mentally moved on. In some cases, they don't even remember you. So we built a specific AI flow that connects directly to those ads and reacts immediately. It can call the lead, it can send a text message, it can connect them via DM right away. And when we do that, when the response is basically instant, we see a huge increase in booked appointments and in actual results. Same ad spend, same campaign, different technology and different speed, completely different results. Now, the point of this is not just to promote our service. The real point is this: sometimes the money side of your marketing changes completely when you're using the right tools and up-to-date technology, not just what your marketing company is used to doing or comfortable offering you. The same budget with better systems and better response times can bring much more money back into your bank account. So when I'm saying you're buying results, that's what I mean. Money goes out to marketing, money comes back into the bank account. As a small or mid-sized business, that's the lens I want you to use. In the next part of this video series, we're going to take that mindset and apply it to the main pricing models you'll see from marketing vendors, so you can understand what you're really signing up for when you choose one model over the other.